Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, which is online marketing. In this channel, I'm sharing with you practical tutorials of SEO techniques. In today's video, we will see what is image submission in SEO, what are image submission sites, how to do image submission in SEO, some of the best examples of high DAPA and free image submission sites. Then I'm going to share with you how to do image submission activity in SEO practically, and this is all about this video. So first of all, we start with the what is image submission or sharing in SEO. So it is image sharing or image submission is a backlink generation activity in SEO, which is a off-page SEO activity in which we submit our website images to the online image submission sites with title, description, alt tag or tags, and image URL to promote our brand, to attract traffic to our website, or to get indexed in search engines, right? So this is about the image submission or sharing in SEO. But what are image submission sites, right? So image submission or sharing sites are the websites which offers the services like we can upload, manage, host, or share our website images to these online websites to promote our brand or attract traffic to our website. So basically we are doing this activity for generating the backlinks, right? Now you will understand, you will under sorry, now you have understood what are image submission sites and what is image submission or sharing in SEO. Now we will see some examples of high DAPA free image submission sites. For example, Pinterest, Flickr, Mediafair, ImageShake, Imgur, Dribble, or many more. Now next is how to do image submission in SEO. I am going to show you how we can do practically a image submission activity in SEO. So you just have to go to the Google here. Now open the Google. Now type here high DAPA image sharing site list, right? So you can see here is the list. Now here is the Pinterest. You can see Pinterest has a high DA, right, which is 94. In my last videos I have already shared with you, for high authority backlinks we have to select the sites which has high DAPA and low spam score. High DAPA means it should be greater than 20, it should be greater than 20, and we can consider it 35 plus, and spam score should be less than 20, right? So here you can see DAPA is 9484 and spam score is 11. Now this is our site. Now you have to log in or create account on this Pinterest site. I have already logged in. You can see online marketing your partner. Now I'm going to show you how we can do the image sharing. Now you have to click on this plus sign, right? Now you have to first create the board. Now click on this, right? And I have already created the board, so I'm just going to create the pin. Now for example here, for image submission activity we have to first add your title of the image. Then here you can upload the image, you can add the alt text or tag here, then here your link. Now I'm going to add the title. So what is my title? So my title is the structure of, it's a research paper, so I'm just copy it and paste it here, the structure of research paper, right? Now here you can give some description, right? So here is my description, so I can just copy and paste it here. Now you can add the alt text. Alt text, what is alt text? Alt text is the description of your image. It can help or allows the search engine to better crawl your content and rank your website, right? So you can add some alt text. So I'm going to add the alt text, that is the, this is my alt text and title, so I'm going to add this, uh, copy, and paste it here. I'm just paste. Then add a destination link. So what is my link? So here I have already uh, created the link, so just copy it and you can paste it in, add a destination link here. So here is your link. Now you can upload your image. So where is my image? So this is my image, structure of research paper. I have just uploaded it, and now you have to select your board. If you have already created, you can select. If haven't created, then create one board. So I'm just going to create it here, one board, that is research, right? I have going to name it research. Now it is created. I'm selecting from here, that is the research board, and just you have to save your image, right? So so just now you can see we have submitted our image. This is my image, this is my title, this is my link, this is my whole activity of image submission. You can just have to save it. Now uh, now you understood how to do image submission activity in SEO, right? So if you want to see more such types of video on SEO techniques or how to do SEO of page activity, so please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is online marketing. In my next video, I'm coming with 20 plus high DAPA and free image submission site list 2022. So stay tuned and click on the bell icon so that you can get notification of my new video as soon as I uploaded it. Right? So till then, bye and take care. And thank you so much for watching this video.